Mirurungano ya thayu iria iratwarithio na mbere guothe bururi-ini ni mbeu njithi ni thiete na mbere kunyitwo mbaru ni ikundi itiganite. Umuthi ngwataniro ya atongoria a makanitha makiranira kunyita mbaru mbeu njithi. Atongoria ya moigite ihinda ni ikinyu thirikari ikuruhanagie andu othe riria matua matiganite marakinyanirio na oho guthikagiriria mawoni ma Kenya. Oho ni mareganite na riendekithia ria kigina ria mwaka wa 2024 magikinyiriria thirikari iri na mubango wa kuhitukia riendekithia riu ona thengia wa gicunje kinene kia Kenya kuriagira kiene.
Isaiah 10 verses 1 to 2 says, "Woe to those that make unjust laws, to those who issue oppressive decrees, to deprive the poor of their rights and withhold justice from the oppressed of my people, making widows their prey and robbing the fatherless." The Quran also tells us, "And cooperate with one another in virtuous conduct and conscience, and do not cooperate with one another in sin and hostility."
Hamwe noguo ni moritie maabitha a borithi kwaga kuhuthira hinya mukiruku kuria rurungani amu maratabania mirurungano ya thayu mateguthukangia indo cia muingi.
If the proposed taxes are rejected by way of rejecting the 2024 financial bill, Kenya Revenue Authority will still collect 3.4 trillion shillings, less 346 billions in the next financial year.
Atongoria yona gukiri uguo moigite mari na mwihoko ati kiriro kia mbeu njithi ni gigukinyira thirikari nerunge kuria kurabatarania.
Inter-Religious Council of Kenya therefore rejects the financial bill 2024 and demands its withdrawal and so that it can eliminate all those punitive tax measures proposed in it. This is not a push by the youth alone. Over 85% of Kenyans stand in solidarity with the youth.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.